Welcome back to another tutorial for the Days Gone game. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Days Gone on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, you have various different options. Now, if your main menu is in a completely different language that you don't understand, then you will need to go into the second option counting from the bottom. Once you click on this will take you into options. Now, from the options page, click on the very last menu at the top section, which will take you into language. Now, you have various different options that you can change, including the dialogue as well as the text language. If you don't understand anything within your menu, you will need to change the second option. This will scroll through the various different languages that are available. And once you find your desired language, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. After this, you can play your game with your chosen language. And if at any point you wish to change this once again, just repeat the same steps. Go to the second to last option from the home page, and then go into the very last submenu. Then you can use the second option to scroll through the languages. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Days Gone PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.